Hey everyone, thanks for coming to Painted By. I'm Amy and I'm going to paint with you. Today we're going to do a cute little jellyfish. Here's my little sample painting. We're going to do a jellyfish and I'm going to teach you every step of the way. But first, let's go over the supplies. So I've got my watercolor paper, my water, some paintbrushes, my palette, and then I have my paper towel, okay? I always like to tape down my paintings just because water warps paper. So you don't have to have this, but just to prevent it from warping a little bit. Here we go. So if this blank page intimidates you, let's sketch out a little, what do they call it? The bell, the head of the jellyfish. You want the bottom to be bumpy like this, okay? Now I'm not going to sketch out the tentacles down here. I want them to be organic and just flow as I'm painting. So first I'm going to grab some plain water and I'm going to paint the bell right here of the jellyfish. Then we're going to do some wet on wet. The main color I want is red with orange accents, orange and yellow accents, okay? So let's get some beautiful watercolor bloom action going on. I want it down here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful. This is why watercolor is so fun. Okay, I'm going to grab some of my yellow. I'm just going to do a quick little swipe up on the top. And I do want a little bit of orange in there. It's looking a little full, so let's see if we can pull it off. I have a little bit too much red right here, so I'm going to dry my brush off completely, and I'm going to use it to pick up some pigment here. Just like that. When I wipe it off, do it again. Okay. Okay, I like how that's looking. There are tentacles, which are the really thin little squiggly marks, but then there are what they call oral arms, and these ones are thicker. So I'm gonna, instead of doing just a light touch down, I'm gonna push my brush down so my brush is laying on its side when I paint this next part, okay? And do some jaggedy marks and press that down. Yep, just like that. See how it's thicker, really messy. And do it again over here. Want it to touch up there to get some bleeding action. One more coming down. To be more bumpy, get some bumps in there. There we go. Okay, while those are wet, I want to add some interest. So I'm going to get some yellow. I'm gonna add it in a couple places, okay? And get some blooming going on. And maybe down here. Okay, perfect. So my oral arms are still pretty wet. And when I do the tentacles, I want it to be a wet on dry. So my paint is wet, but I want the paper to be dry when I'm drawing them, okay? So in order to hurry the process up, I'm gonna grab a blow dryer and dry the paper and paint more quickly. Okay, let's grab, I'm gonna do red. I'm gonna get some saturated color, not too much water on here. Just like that, you see that, how it stays. And I'm gonna draw some thin lines down, just like big S's, little S's. Something I didn't know about jellyfish is, despite their name, they're actually not even a fish. Isn't that so funny? They don't have hearts or brains. They've been around before the dinosaurs. These guys, pretty cool. I want some of these to come down longer. I love it. Okay, so to add a little bit more interest to this, I'm going to splatter some watercolor droplets around. And if you've never done that before, you get the water on the brush and the paint, and then you hold this hand still, and then you're coming with this full brush and you're hitting it hard against your hand, and it's gonna splatter some droplets around, okay? But I grabbed red. I wanna get yellow and orange. I think that'll be cute and add more interest, okay? All right, here we go. See the little droplets? Mine are really little, so I'm actually gonna grab a bigger brush because I want some bigger droplets. I'm gonna do yellow this time. All right, here we go. Oh, I love that. It looks like another oral arm coming down. Looks like another tentacle coming down. Cute. I love it. Okay, now we just let it dry before we take the tape off. Oh my gosh, I love it. How did yours turn out? Cute. Thank you so much for joining me to paint this jellyfish today. Hang around, subscribe, and see what we're going to paint next. Bye.